Looking to save money on your next home improvement project? We have tips to trim costs without compromising quality. Are you ready to start saving on your home improvements? Then stay tuned. Firstly, consider doing the demolition work yourself. You'd be surprised at the savings, not to mention other tasks like painting and installing shelves. But remember, honesty about your skill level is crucial. Leave complex tasks to professionals. By doing some of the work yourself, you can save a substantial amount of money. Don't settle for the first price you see. It's crucial to get quotes from various contractors and compare material costs. Consider planning your projects during slower seasons to avail potential discounts. By comparing prices and timing your project right, you can secure the best deals. Consider using alternative building materials. Salvage yards can be treasure troves, offering unique features at lower costs. Reclaimed materials not only save money but also add unique character to your home. By being open to alternative materials, you can save money and add unique character to your home. So, are you ready to start saving money on your home improvements? Start saving on your home improvements today. Thank you for watching.